Chris, do our intentions matter? You know what they say about the road to hell and all. The thing is that good people do try to do their best, and sometimes things just happen. So in those circumstances, do our intentions matter?
Well, intentionality is very, very close to telesis. Yes, your telesis matters. All right, but we're talking about intentionality on a deep level. Some people form conscious intentions about which they're not really sincere, and they fool themselves about it. For example, they may tell themselves, I'm a good person and I always try to do the right thing. But if you look at their behavior, you see they're not doing the right thing at all, right? Somehow they're fooling themselves about what their intentions are. Deep down inside, underneath, when you peel away, when you get down below the top level of consciousness, you see that there is an intentionality there. There's something coherent pushing them in a certain direction, and it's not a good direction. Okay? On that level, intentionality means everything. The deeper your intentionality goes, the more it means, the more difference it makes. So, yes, as long as we distinguish between kinds and levels of intentionality, then yeah, we can say that your intentionality is very important indeed. On the other hand, if you're just one of these people that fools themselves about what their intentions really are, then they're actually an obstruction